Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, this is a full video of the Bleaklow bomber plane disaster. It's a very airy place to visit. I won't do too much talking as I'll let you explore as I did. I literally just walked around with the camera and took a look at the wreckage. Let me know your thoughts. As you can see, that's my partner there, checking out the wreckage. She's very sceptical of things like this. Did it happen? You know, or was it put here? Yeah, but I can confirm it. It was sadly a true event, and the wreckage is still here and scarily and eerily in good condition, considering it was in 1948. It was a US military plane carrying 11 servicemen, and due to headwinds and poor visibility they started to descend earlier than planned. As you can see here, the hull of the plane, and crashed into the mountains, killing all instantaneously. There is a memorial at the top of the mountain. I'll let you continue to watch. Yeah. It's scary to think actually that the ground surrounding it is still chopped. It's not grown back. It probably never will due to the explosion when the plane hit. Another damaged wreckage there. It's remarkable to see that actually dotted around the place due to the explosion there's just pieces of shrapnel from the wreckage still about. Walking up to the peak of Hope Valley, you can actually see other parts of the plane that are a bit harder to get to, about falling through the grass and the divots. But yeah, just bits like this all over the field and, you know, surrounding areas. You can imagine how much of a impact and explosion it actually made. 1948. Is actually what shocked me, the whole of the plane here. I'm no aviation expert. I mean, I'm slowly getting more knowledgeable on the area, but you can actually see the whole of the plane, where the wheels may be, and you know that's a scary thing for me here. And the most impactful thing, you can actually see where the plane landed. You know, going down to the cockpit there, the wheels on the floor, just left there. You'll actually see shortly there's some rubber left on the tyres, as the tyres are intact because no landing gear came out during the event. The rubber still attached to the tyres from 1948. That flag's been ripped to shreds, hasn't it? Yeah. That flag's been ripped to shreds. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, help my channel grow. More aviation, more live music, and various other bits and pieces. Yeah, if you want to find where we are, if you Google Snakes Pass Peak or Bleaklow plane disaster or Hope Valley, all that will bring you up here. There's ample parking nearby. It's about a 40-minute climb up. But thanks for watching, guys.